So SAP OS level file systems here. OS level file systems. So as a administrator, as a basis consultant, you require some OS level knowledge also. In which level, in which folder, where it is storing, we should be required. Why? Because we are the administrators in the system. So you should be required. So some voice level knowledge. Voice level knowledge means operating system level, files, folders, where the SAP related binaries are exist. So these things are should be important here. Why? Because if any issues occurs, we are in the position to investigate the issues, right? So perform the investigations, everything. Why? Because everything is not possible from SAP level, application level to investigate. SAP level, normally if any issues comes, we will go to the ST22, we will check the logs, dumps, all those things we will check, right? So long back, I think I asked this investigate the issue and fix the dumps issue. And also we will check in the SM21. So normally normal transaction codes, we will use it to check the issues and everything, right? So this one we know how to check it, how to troubleshoot it. So all those things we know. So see here work process are so restarted. The failure count is increasing. So I want you to investigate it why this is happening, right? So as a consultant, we should check always why. And also check, go to the SM37 as a day-to-day activity. You need to check the why the jobs are failing. Are there any jobs are failing in the system or not? Okay, successful jobs, that's fine. What about the failure jobs? So many jobs are failing here. Anyone done the investigations here? So why there is a delay here? So this is the standard job, SAP collector performance standard job. So why this is failing here? Cannot find the stored procedure. So something wrong here. This is running job frequency. So I think every 1 hour this is running. So treat system as a production system. This is also failing. Why? So there is an internal session created. So there is a dump. Why this dump is occurring? Okay. So many issues are there in the system, in the production system. So you need to investigate and fix the issues. Okay. As a basis consultant in the production systems, our day-to-day activities, day starts with the monitoring of all your production systems. Then after that, we need to check the transports are there any critical alerts? So we need to fix those things as well, right? So the same time, so okay, leave it. You can check it out. I hope you guys can check, not a problem. So now let's start about the OS level file systems, which means when you install the SAP operating system level, it will create some folders, some files. It will create some folders, some files. It will create at operating system level, right? So what are those folders? Why it's so important? Whenever any issues occurs, these are the very much important here, right? So whenever you create any SAP system, by default you will get the USR SAP SID. It is the ECP, it is the ECD SID will be created. You see here operating system level. So you can see here USR SAP SID, right? ECD, ECP, the file systems are created here. Got it? Right? You got so you have the file systems are there here. So these are the very important file systems. This one is not required. Okay. So USR SAP, SID. Under the SID, we have the again folders are there here. This is a very important, guys. Each and every interview when you go, so OS level, they will ask you where you check the logs, where you investigate it. These are the things are very important. Okay. Under the USR, SAP, SID, under the each SID you have so the instance number one folder and ASCS instance number two instances, right? Then two folders will be created here. The instance number, which means the primary instance number, primary application server. Then here we have the sys. Like that, there are the three folders will be created under each SID. So under the each SID, we have the D instance number D and sys ASCS. Three folders are there here, right? So let's talk about the sys. So sys contains again, they are the subfolders again. Sys exe, sys profile, then sys global directory. These three are very, very important. This sys exe means executable directory. Whenever you install any SAP system, it will create the operating system level some binaries. Your SAP system is up and running means because of these libraries, because of these binaries at operating system level. Your stop SAP command is working means, so because of your related binary, related exe directory is available. Start SAP is working. Your message server is working. Your dispatcher is working. Your work process are working. So because of why it's running and working means in the sys exe, we have the binaries are there, right? So that is the reason in the binaries means these are the executable files, binaries. These are the so important here. It's running, that is the reason we have. So these are the, so it's there. Something you delete, something is missed, so immediately your SAP system will go down and SAP will not be started. Your SAP system is up and running, it is working means because of in the here the system here the exe directories are exist because of this reason here. So your operating system, suppose if you see the operating system program files, right? Windows program files. So these folders are how it is important. Something you delete something here, your operating system will be crashed, right? Right? You got it right? So same as like here also, something you delete something here, immediately something you delete in the USR, SAP, SID, sys exe, something you delete it. So entire your operating system, entire your SAP will go down. Entire your SAP will go down here. So sys profile is that much of important here. Okay. Sys profile is that much of important concept here. So sys exe. Then profile directory. Profile directory contains profiles. SAP level, we have the object 10 and object 11, right? SAP level, we have the object 10 and object 11 profiles are there. Here you will go and you will do the changes of your systems. That is the SAP level, object 10 as well. The same concept we have, the profile concept is available here. So in the here also you can change it here. Worst case scenario, you are unable to log into the SAP level. You can also go to the here. You can also change the concept. You can also change your work process numbers. You can change it here. That is also possible from here. So whatever you change in the SAP level, that will be reflected here also. So see here who changed, who when they have changed it, all the information. Yesterday someone changed the value, right? All the information got recorded here. Everything will record here when you change from the SAP level, right? So this is the profiles and parameter concept here. So same SAP level, whatever the profiles you have there, same profiles are available in the operating system level also. So you can change two ways. You can change the profile in SAP level, RJ10 and RJ11, or in the operating system level, sys profile. Here also you can change the profiles, either the default profile, ASS profile, then instance profile. So here also you have to change it, then restart the app server, to effect it. Okay, this is the profile directory. Sysexe, sys profile, then sys global directory, sysexe, sys profile, global directory. In the global directory, spool logs, job logs will be stored. Spool logs and job logs will be stored in the job log. You have the suppose 100 client. We go to the 100 client. Each job, how much time is taking, all the jobs will be recorded here. What is the job name? So when it is stored, all the logs will be stored here. All the logs. So in the global directory, spool logs and job logs will be stored here. Some security settings here, SSF keys. Okay, this is the global directory. Okay, under the each SID, we have the sys. Under the sys, we have exe, global, and profile directory. Right? Profile directory here. So profile directory, all the profiles and the parameters are exist under profile directory. Global directory. So here spool logs and job logs will be stored here. Exe, we have the executable files are available here. Sometimes, so interviewer will ask the question like, where can you change the profiles, parameters? It means sometimes they may ask you questions like, so your SAP is down, where can you go ahead and change the parameters? So operating system level, sys profile, there we can change the, can you tell me the navigation of the profile directory? Then you have to tell like USR SAP SID sys profile, like that. So you have to, so like that you have to explain, it here. Okay, sys profile. In the sys profile, we have to change the parameters of the profiles. Okay, that is the navigation, we have to explain it here. So where the job logs and spool logs, many times I only ask for the multiple questions during the interview time. Can you tell me the where the spool logs and job logs will be stored at operating system level? So many people fail to answer this one. Sys global directory, job logs and spool logs will be stored here. This navigation you have to explain, right? So this is the very important here. Sysexe also very important here. Entire file systems are very important here, right? So that is the under the sys, we have the, these are the folders are available here. The next one is called the D instance number here. In the D instance number also, here we have the exe directory. Same, in the DX also here exe directory available. Data folder, log folder, then equal to work directory. So data, exe, log, sec directory, work directory, sec and work directory, and sec directory. This is not much important, but sec directory. Okay, and also ASCS also we have the again exe folder, same the data folder, same here. So log folder, same here. So work directory, same here. Sec directory. So these are the folders are available here also. So this exe folder, three are common. Exe location is available in three locations here. One is the under the SID D instance number exe, ASCS exe, sys exe. Sys exe is the global executable directory. These are the local instances exe directory. This is the global exe. This is the local exe directories here. Local exe directories here. Okay, local exe directories here. So see here D, exe, same executable directories only, all are same executable directories only. Yeah. And also you have the ASCS also, you have the exe directory here, same executable directory. ASCS means message server, enqueue server. So message server, enqueue server related executable files are available here. Message server, enqueue server executable files are available here. And D instance number exe. So dispatcher. Then we have the displace work. So dpmon dispatcher. So then work process. So remaining all are available here. So all global are available in the sysexe. So sysexe is the global executable directory. This is the local instance exe directories here. Local instance exe directories here. So data folder stat files are available here. Stat files, statistics files and page file related files are available here. Stat files means, so normally in the graphical level we are getting some statistics, right? So those are called the stat files. History files. Stat files means history files we will get. Those are called the history files. So that folder is not much important, but you can ignore it. So, and also log folder also, it's alerts, trace files or traces we will generate, right? Those are the trace files. So these traces also not much important. So only thing is here, exe directory, then main, this is the certificates. This is the certificates related folders here. PSCs related folders are available in the sec directory, D instance number sec directory, PSCs. Okay. So here work directory, this is the most popular, most trace directory here. So D instance number work directory here. Any issues comes in the SAP level. So the first our troubleshooting directory investigation starts from here. So what's happening with my dispatcher? At what time my dispatcher is happened? Message server not attached, skip the load. So in the seventh, cannot connect to the message server due to error. This is happened on the 7th, right? So then after that, so then what's happened? So just filter the date wise. So check that today's anything is available here. So each and every log file, work process number. So we have the work process, right? So in SM50, we have the work process. So work process number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 10. And so we have available work process numbers are available here. So each and every work process related log files are available under in the work directory. So in SAP level, is someone asking you or something you need to find out, you need to investigate it. The first directory, the first troubleshooting directory is called the work directory. Based upon the timestamp, you will find out the root cause. Work process number 0. Why? Work process number 6 is having the failures. Work process number 6 means all the log files are started with the dev underscore work process 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this here. 6 means work process number 6 here. Just open the log file here and see latest timestamp log files, why work process are having issues here. So here we will find out at what time we have these errors are occurred here. Error creating the object class not found here. So this is the program. So same dumps are occurring, same dumps are having these issues. So same unknown driver. So right, same whatever the dumps are occurring here. So that is happening here. You can see here. So same create object class not found. Go to the ST22, create object class not found, right? So create object class not found. Same dumps we are occurring in the log files also. So something wrong. We need to fix these errors first of all. Then only all the errors will be cleared. Dumps will not occur. Then work process also will not go to the failure status. We need to fix that errors first. So everything will be located in the trace files. in the work directory, right? So availability log, you can check the availability log at what time to what time system not available. System available 9, 10th to till date. So last 3 days onwards, there is no downtime. It's available, same, it's available. So when was the system not available here? Not available, unavailable. Here clear history is available. So 8012 83, only 3 minutes, 2 minutes system is not available entire this week from October to now. Only a 2 minute system is not available. So there is a clear information that is called the available.log file. So what is the issue of the your ICM? Open the log file in the notepad, trace it here. What is the use of the your log files here? Okay, so that is the one. So then what is the work process status here? Dispatcher status here. So why dispatcher is not responding? So each and everything. So in the SAP level, something is happened. We have the one common troubleshooting directory, work directory. Everything you will find out from here. So that's why when you go to the any interview, any certifications, anything, the common question they ask you. So if something is not so something is not working, something is broken, something is connection is failed, system is down, where can you check? One common answer is work directory. In the work directory, we need to check the logs. Can you tell me the location of the work directory? USR, SAP, SAD, D instance number, work directory. Okay, this is the common directory here. So from here, we need to find out the root cause, errors, troubleshooting, everything we have to find out from here. That is the one thing here. Next one is the sys. So sys we already discussed. Then ASCS also we have the data folder, exe folder, sec directory and work directory. ASCS means message server, enqueue server. Here only message server, dev underscore message server, dev underscore enqueue server. Only these two things are available here. Dev underscore message server and dev underscore enqueue servers are available here. Dev underscore enqueue server, message servers are available here. So like that we have the log files are available here. So this is the ASCS. ASCS means only message server and queue server. Those related log files are available here. Then remaining all are application server, SAP application server, D instance number. So all application server related things are available in this work directory. So this is the very important here. Okay, these are the OS level log files to investigate it. If any issues, this is the one of the troubleshooting directory. Okay, got it? Any questions from anyone here? Any questions from anyone? Something is not working, you need to come to the here, you need to check the logs here. That is the main thing here. So SAP level is down, SAP is down, not starting up. So SAP work process are busy, not starting up. So anything, one common answer, solution, work directory, come to the here, see what's happening with the your system. You need to check that one. You need to fix the log files and everything here. That is the very important thing here. Okay. That is the one thing here. You should remember all these log files and everything here. Okay. So, and also I want you to fix these errors, all these errors, ST22 dumps. So work processor went to this all, you have to fix it. It's your time to fix it, all these issues here. So in the system, we have these log files are many dumps are occurring here. You can see here, many every day 24 log files are occurring, errors are occurring here. So I'm not sure whether you are checking or not. This is your time to fix it, all these issues here, right? So you have to check all these errors here. Then only you will fix all these errors here. So you need to check all these errors and everything. You have to check. Here every day the same log files are occurring, 11, 10 to same log files are occurring in the systems every day. I need two dumps. If I resolve one dump, it will be same. It will resolve all the dumps, right? If I resolve one dump, it will be applicable for all the dumps, right? So let me check what is this dump here, dump troubleshooting here.